Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial. How to remove holidays from your Google Calendar, specifically tailored for 2025. If your calendar is cluttered with holidays you don't need, this quick guide will help you streamline it in just a few steps. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother removing holidays? Google Calendar automatically adds them based on your location, but they can make your schedule look messy or include events that aren't relevant to you. By the end of this video, you'll have a cleaner, more personalized calendar. To get started, open Google Calendar on your web browser and make sure you're logged into your Google account. It's that simple. Head to calendar.google.com if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on it to open the Settings menu. This is your control center for customizing your calendar. In the Settings page, scroll down to the Other Calendars, or Holidays section. You'll see a list of added calendars, including the holiday ones for your region. For 2025, these holidays are pre-populated, but don't worry, we're about to fix that. Next, find the specific holiday calendar you want to remove. It might be labeled something like Holidays in your country. Click on the three dots next to it, and from the drop-down menu, select Remove Calendar, or Hide from List. Confirm if prompted, and poof, it's gone. If you accidentally remove the wrong one or change your mind later, you can always add it back. Just go back to Settings, click Add Calendar, and search for Holidays again. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now holiday-free for 2025 and beyond. This small tweak can make a big difference in keeping your day organized. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.